Good morning for everyone. My name is Haider Gomez, and today I'm going to talk about the first topic or this first task about material design for face-to-face environments in English language learning. Okay, the first is according to the question, what should material have? I want to say that the first answer at the first thing that material have according to the reading to this first reading is material must achieve impact. When we say that material will achieve impact, the impact is achieved when the material have a noticeable effect on the students. That is when the curiosity, interest, and attention of the students are attracted by according to the material that we, like a teacher, as a teacher prepare, excuse me. The second one is material must help students feel comfortable. When we say that our students are comfortable, it's because they feel relaxed, and when they are relaxed, they learn faster. They are less anxious. When we say that the less anxious students and the better language acquisitions process, similarly relaxed and comfortable students, they can apparently learn more in shortened period of time. I took this because this is a fragment of the late Bird and Crashing in 1982. The third form is material must help students develop confidence in themselves. When students are confident in themselves, most materials developers recognize that needs to help students develop trust. When we have truth, because many of them try to do it through of a process of simplifications. Most of them use simplifications if they want to feel students in confidence in themselves. The third one is about material must require and facilitate student self-investment. When we say that students, all the kind of material that we as a teacher prepare must be required and facilitate the student self-investment. Students seem to benefit the most if they invest in trust, right? Effort and focus on the learned activities. Material can help us or can help the students to achieve this by giving them focus on the activities of oceans. Okay, so I say that they can work in houses by themselves, but material that we prepare as a teacher prepared, they must facilitate a student self-investment. And finally, material should provide a student with the opportunity to use charted language to achieve communication goals, right? This is old, and okay, I want to finish, but to say that material must provide students with the opportunities to use target language to achieve communication purposes, right? This is old. Thank you, and I hope that you can understand me and everything be okay. Thank you so much. Oh my God.